Hi friends, welcome back to DIYs with Nosh. I'm back with another DIY today. This time it's this frame. It was old, it was damaged. It did not have a backing in it as well. So, let's start. So step 1, I sanded the frame, and for the back support I've taken this cardboard, cut it to measure, and for the background I've used this wallpaper sample from a wallpaper catalog. And this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to stick this up here. There. And this is how it's going to look. And then we'll do our sign over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this folk art chalk paint, and we're going to apply some of it. But it's going to be a very distressed look. It's not really going to be a finished look. Very distressed, very worn out look. And I don't want complete coverage either. This is an excellent brush for that. I've got it from Dollar Tree. It's an excellent brush for this purpose. Once we are ready with this, we're going to leave this to dry. We're going to glue this. This is as per the measurement. We'll be using both glues. I'm using some of this liquid glue. This is my favorite glue to use. And apart from this, we'll be using the hot glue gun, for which I'm going to have to go right now. Get that. This one's already dried, more or less. Here it's a little bit wet, but otherwise it's okay. We've already adhered this one with the hot glue. Now we're going to just put this in here. There you go. So now that's ready. This one was from, I think it was Dollar Tree only. Yeah, the sentiments be grateful. So I'm thinking of placing bee over here. Some of these some of these leaves coming out here, and then the grateful here, and then maybe some flowers over here. So this is the first time I'm actually, I mean, it's unbelievable, isn't it? It's the first time I'm using these autocollant stickers. Not 100% sure. I always thought that you peel this one off and then you stuck it over there and then you just rubbed it and it would come off, but apparently it's just come off already like this. So anyway, we'll make the best with what we have. Gotta get the center here. This is just so that I know where to place it. Now we'll get some flowers and place them here. I think that would look nice. So what I've done is these are Dollar Tree flowers. I'm just going to cut off this particular part over here so that I can get them to sit nicely over here. I'm going to use hot glue. My hot glue wire does not come till here, so that's a bit of a problem. Friends, before we come to the end of this video, let me take this opportunity to thank you for visiting me today. If you liked my tutorial, please like and give it a thumbs up. I'd love if you could leave a note in the comment section. That helps me connect with all of you as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you know when I'm releasing my new videos. With that said, let's get back to the video. Looks perfect for some nice summer or spring vibes. More summer than spring, of course. How does that look? I think it looks great. From trash, it's turned into home decor.